I'm on my way to a drone art show in Dulwich Park, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's something completely different. Who knew that you could create art from drones? So I'm in Dulwich, and I've just walked through this little walkway here. There are so many little pretty hidden things in England. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. I love England. I had to get it VIP. From that I got a blanket and free drinks, and I'm going to need them because it is absolutely freezing and my nose is running. This is what it's looking like at the moment. Oh, it looks like there's a little music thing going on there. Candles. Let me go and find my seat. This bit's the bit where everybody gets to sit on the ground up in front. And over there, there's hundreds of candles. So there's a candlelit stage there. So I'm not sure if somebody's going to come out and play. I can see chairs, but we're quite a distance away from those. I am so excited. I can't wait. Now my biggest mistake is forgetting it's an outside event. It's not covered. I didn't bring a coat. I've got on just a very flimsy denim. I do have a very lightweight jumper and a roll neck, but it's cold. Isn't that fun? Regardless, I've still got this blanket thing that they've given us, which is lined underneath. That's so that you don't get a wet bum. And I might just try and wrap some of it around me. I'm loving my life. Doing it solo and sovereign yet again.
We are the London Session Quartet, and we're absolutely thrilled to be here and bring this show to life with our music. So tonight, drones will accompany us to the rhythm of Vivaldi's Four Seasons, along with several other masterpieces of classical music.
Oh, that's so pretty. That is beautiful. Magnificent. So clever. I can't say anything else but wow, it's spectacular. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Whoever thought of this to take drones and turn them into art is hugely, hugely creative. This is amazing. No words, none. Fireworks are dancing in the sky. It's absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely beautiful. Almost majestic. But most definitely magnificent. Quartets are fantastic too. I've been listening to these classical tunes for weeks. I'm starting to feel like I want to dance to them. So cold. Shocking how cold it is. And yet it's phenomenally beautiful. It's so beautiful, even in this cold. I'm so blessed. Seconds. I can't describe this to you. There's the smell of this bonfire. I don't know where it's coming from. There's the beauty of the classical music. There's the beauty of the string quartet. There's the beauty of all the candles, and then these drones that are just dancing in the sky and creating all sorts of figures and animals and just beauty to the music. It's a vibe which I've never experienced before, and I've got to say, I like it very much. It's fantastic. I'm really pleased I've come to this. It's floating. just wipes that all out. I feel so warm inside. It's magnificent. Gotta give thanks. So that's all over. 65 minutes. It was fantastic. Amazing to see these different art mediums, you know, classical music combined with drone art. Makes me wonder what Tchaikovsky or Mozart might say about it. If I was ever to do anything like this again, I would make sure that I brought blankets. This was the last one in London, but there are others, so if you wanted to see it, you can go on Fever. I think they've got some in Birmingham and some other places up until the end of the year, but if you do go, make sure you wrap up warm, because it's freezing, absolutely freezing. It was spectacular. It's really beautiful. I, as usual, wanted to be up the front, so I paid extra, but actually, looking at it now, I probably would have been better off sitting in the seats. I was up the front, sitting on the ground. They gave us picnic blankets because we're VIPs. I would do it again, but probably I'd pay the cheaper seats because the thing's all up in the sky. And if it's up in the sky, it doesn't matter where you are in the park, you're going to see it. It was really good fun. I've enjoyed every second of it, and you would too. If you like anything in this video or any of my other videos, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If there's anything that you think I might enjoy doing, leave a suggestion. I'll give it a go. I'm not jumping out of a plane, I'm not bungee jumping, but I'll give anything else a go, so you're welcome to leave a little message.
Okay, lovely.
Something you might like to see me have a go at on my own, solo and sovereign. And on that note, folks, see you on the next one.